I am here with the Director of External Affairs, Mr. Eric Urbang. How are you doing?
Doing great, Jeff. How are you today?
I am doing all right. What do you think of the turnout?
So far, so good, right? And I think we're going to see more people file through the remainder of the day, and certainly some more tomorrow as part of MIDA's conference. But so far, happy to see the number of people we've got this morning.
Yeah, we had a full room this morning. What is the message that you would like to get out to the general public about Miss Dig 811?
Oh, that's simple. It doesn't matter what you're doing. Be safe, be smart, and contact us before you dig for sure.
Thank you so much, Eric. That is a great message, and we will get it out to the people.
No, I appreciate it, and appreciate what you do. These are great little videos you do, Jeff, and you're a great ambassador for 811, so I appreciate what you're doing.
Thank you so much.